Have you ever wondered what it would be like to experience uh, a scene straight out of a horror movie at Cinema Ocho in Plata, Argentina? That chilling moment became a reality during the premiere of Final Destination Bloodlines, as the audience settled in for a thrilling night. Uh, a ceiling panel unexpectedly crashed down, injuring a moviegoer named Fiamma Villaverde. Uh, Struck on her knee, she was rushed to the hospital. Thankfully, the debris narrowly missed her head, a fact she reflected on with gratitude, knowing the outcome could have been far worse. Uh, Fiamma had gone to the cinema to celebrate a birthday with her friend and her 11-year-old daughter. Uh, they were all engrossed in the film, which was filled with the series' signature Rube Goldberg style accidents. Little did they know they were about to witness a real life mishap. In a report, Fiamma recounted the moment, and extremely loud noise startled them, initially mistaken for part of the movie. Uh, Moments later, a heavy object fell, narrowly avoiding a direct hit to her head as she leaned over the armrest. And while she joked about the incident resembling a Final Destination plot twist, Fiamma was serious about holding the theater management accountable for her injury. When the manager asked how they could address the issue, uh, she firmly replied, "Address it. I'm going to file a complaint. What if it had been my daughter?" As a film lover, Fiamma found herself unable to enjoy the experience due to her injury. She mentioned seeking legal advice and considering her options for a grievance, though the details of any potential action were still uncertain. Um, um, Marks a return to the franchise after over a decade, bringing back familiar themes and characters with new creative talent, which was a meal of the 5 months of the film has received positive reviews, boasting a 92% fresh score on Rotten Tomatoes, and is currently showing in theaters across the United States. And remember, if you ever find yourself in a theater, just be glad the only thing falling from the ceiling is popcorn. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.